What if I told you I recreated $350 designer wall art for just $35 and it was actually easy? Hi guys, welcome back to Creatively Expressive. My name is Amy and today I'm going to show you how I saved over $300 by recreating high-end wall art, no art skills required. If you love budget-friendly DIYs that look expensive, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. I came across these two wall art pieces online and I thought they would be perfect for a bathroom, but together they cost $354 before tax and shipping. And I don't know about you, but I'm not spending that kind of money on wall decor. The good news? I knew I could recreate them for way less. So I headed to Hobby Lobby and picked up 2 sheets of gold scrapbook paper, 2 12 by 12 wood canvases, and 2 14 by 14 wood frames from the wood craft section. I also used carbon tracing paper and printed line art designs which I created beforehand. Everything I bought was 40% off and my total came to just $34.61. First, I taped my printed design onto the gold scrapbook paper using a couple of pieces of masking tape. Then I placed the carbon tracing paper in between the printout and the scrapbook paper. Using a pencil, I traced over the design so it transfers onto the gold paper. Once I made sure everything was transferred, I removed the top sheet and went back over the lines again to darken them. Next, I used black chalk paint thinned slightly with water. With a fine detail brush, I carefully painted over the pencil lines. Then I painted the edges of the wood canvas using metallic paint in the color Antique Gold. After that, I applied a thick layer of Mod Podge to the top of the canvas. I flipped the canvas over onto the back of the scrapbook paper, centered it, and smoothed it down. Then I used a hand sander along the edges to remove any excess paper for a clean finish. To seal everything, I applied a layer of dishwasher-safe Mod Podge over the top. This will help protect it, especially in a bathroom environment. The frame I bought had a wooden bead hanger, which didn't fit the look I was going for. So I cut that off and saved the beads for another project. Then I filled the holes with wood filler, let it dry, and sanded it smooth. I placed the canvas inside the frame and traced around it. Then I painted the frame in the area just inside the trace lines black. This creates that floating frame effect once everything is assembled. Once the paint was dry, I used wood glue to attach the canvas into the center of the frame. I placed a heavy book on top and let it dry overnight. The next day, I took everything outside and applied a couple of coats of clear gloss top coat for extra protection. And now it's done! Here's the original inspiration piece priced at $175. And here's mine. And here's the second one listed at $179. And here's my version. I honestly love how these turned out, and for under $35 total, you really can't beat it. Let me know in the comments, would you try this DIY or would you buy the original? I'm curious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future DIYs. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!